Hello everybody, myself Professor Pallavi Guli from Kikewa College of Horticulture. So today we are going to see the cultivation practices for cherry. So cherry has the botanical name as Prunus avium and it belongs to the family Rosaceae. It has the basic chromosome number as 8 and somatic chromosome number as 16. Introduction. The cultivated cherries are divided into two main groups, that is sweet cherry Prunus avium and sour cherries, that is Prunus cerasus. Sweet cherry is mainly used for table purpose and sour cherries for processing. Cherries are rich in protein, sugar, potassium, calcium, iron, and zinc. Sweet cherries are believed to have originated between areas Black and Caspian Sea in southern Europe. The earliest records indicates that it was first domesticated in Greece around 300 BC. It spread to Italy from Greece, where it was established as a fruit crop by 37 BC. Early settlers brought the seeds to the North America and the part of South America. In India, it was introduced by the British settlers in Kashmir, Kullu, and Shimla Hills during the pre-independence era. Area and production. The cherries are extensively grown in all the temperate countries. The leading cherry producing countries are USSR, USA, West Germany, Italy, and France. In the world, it is grown in 38 lakh 14,082 hectares, and fruit production is 21 lakh 96,537 metric ton. In India, it occupies an area of 3,264 hectare with a production of 12,690 metric ton and is extensively grown in the states of Jammu Kashmir in area of 1,110 hectare with a production of 605 metric tons. Morphological characters. Tall tree, branches erect, leaves large, thin, pubescent beneath and serrated. The petioles are long, having two or more solan glands. Fruits is ordinate in shape, has a deep cavity, and apex is rounded and pointed. The floral pods are borne on a 2-year-old shoot at base of 1-year-old shoot and found only on a lateral simple flower buds. Flowers are white in color and have 5 petals, numerous stamens, single style, and an ovary with a single carpel containing 2 ovals. Fruit color varies with the varieties and may be yellow, red, pinkish, black. On the basis of flesh, sweet cherry is divided into the two homological groups, hard group and the Bagario group. Hard cherry varieties have a soft tender flesh and a heart-shaped fruits. Fruit color varies from a dark with a reddish juice to the light colored with a colorless juice. The Bagario group of cherries is usually roundish. The color of the fruit and juice also varies from dark red to light red. Climate and the soil. Sweet cherry requires cool climate. It is grown successfully in the areas between 2000 to 2700 meter above the mean sea level, requiring 1000 to 1500 hours of the chilling period during winters. Cherry blossom is very sensitive to the spring frost. Since southern and southwestern aspects are warmer, they should be not selected for cultivation at the lower elevations. Generally, northeast and the northwest aspects are most suitable. An annual rainfall of 100 to 120 cm, well distributed throughout the year, is desirable, but high rainfall during the flowering results in heavy blossom wilt. At the time of the fruit ripening, heavy rains causes a fruit cracking. A well-drained, deep sandy loam soils with pH 6.5 to 7, which can hold the moisture during summer, are most suitable. The cherry plant is very sensitive to the waterlogging and therefore so heavy soils should be avoided. Recommended varieties of sweet cherries for the different states. First is Jammu Kashmir. Varieties are Black Heart, Early Purple, Black Heart, Guinan Noir Cross, Lucenta, Guinan Noir Hative, Guinan Pour Ova Princess, Bagario Nopalian, and Bagario Noir Cross. Varieties for the Himachal Pradesh states are Black Tartarian, Bing, Napoleon White, Sam, Swiss, Stella, Van, Lambert, Black Republican, Pink Early, Blackheart, Early Rivers, Sunburst, Dero Nero 2nd, and merchants. Varieties for Uttar Pradesh states are Bedford, Prolific, Blackheart, and the Governor's Wood. Hard group fruit is heart shaped, having a soft and tender flesh. Color of the fruit varies from a dark with a reddish juice to the light colored with a colorless juice. Red heart, black heart are the important varieties of this group. Baguio group fruit roundish. Color of the fruits and juice varies from the dark to the light red. Sam, Sumi, Sunburst, Napins, Compact Stella, and Hybrid are a new promising varieties. Rootstock and propagation. Cherry is propagated by grafting on the seedling or the clonal rootstocks. Seedling rootstock are Paja and Mahalep and Mazard. Clonal rootstocks are Colt, Geisela, Charger, SL64, Mazard F12/1. Colt is a semi-dwarf compatible with almost all the varieties of sweet cherries. Mazard F12/1 is a semi-vigorous and difficult to root rootstock. Propagation of seedling rootstocks. Seeds are stratified for 80 to 120 days for Mahalef and 120 to 50 days for the Mazard to break the seed dormancy. Propagation of the clonal rootstock. Mount layering or the trench layering is a common method of a clonal rootstock multiplication. It is difficult to root Mazard F12/1 rootstock. IBA at the rate 7 to 700 7500 ppm is applied in the ringed portion of the shoots during summer. Propagation of the scion is done by the turn grafting during February and March, which gives the better success. Planting and planting densities. In India, cherry cultivation is confined to the hilly areas on slopy lands, so the planting is done on the contour or the terrace system. The planting distance depends upon the soil fertility and the rootstock use. A spacing of 6 by 6 meter is recommended for the plants raised on the seedling rootstock. For semi-dwarfing rootstock like cold, spacing can be reduced to 4.5 into 4.5 meter. Pits of 1 by 1 by 1 meter size are dug and filled with a mixture of 35 to 40 kg of farmyard manure and half kg of superphosphate 1 month before planting. Pits are filled at least up to 15 centimeter above the ground level. The base time of planting is December to January. Pollination. Most of the cherry varieties are self incompatible as well as cross incompatible. There are many cross incompatible groups and a cross compatible varieties within a group should be planted in the orchard for a proper fruit set. Care should be taken to see that not only their flowering period overlaps but they also do not have the same sterility LSS. The varieties which have a same sterility LSS, if planted together, will not set a fruit and require at least one other variety having the different sterility allele for a better fruit set. The universal donor varieties like Stella, Vista, Vic, Seneca, and the Vega are good pollinizer to planted with any variety. Incompatible group of the some of the important varieties of the cherry, sweet cherries, is given here. Training. Cherry trees are trained on the modified lever system. Plants are headed back at about 60 to 80 centimeter at the time of planting. The central leader is retained and 3 to 5 wide angled branches 20 to 25 centimeter apart spirally around the tree are selected in the first dormant pruning. The lowest branch should be 40 to 60 centimeter above the ground level. The selected scaffold branches are headed back to minimum and only the one-fourth of the growth is pruned off. In the second dormant pruning, 3 to 4 well-spaced main branches are selected whose one-fourth growth is pruned off and on each main scaffold well-spaced 3 to 4 secondary branches are selected. After 3 to 4 years, central leader is headed back and the lateral branches are allowed to grow. Pruning. Cherry plants requires more corrective pruning rather than too much of the heading back of the branches. Bearing trees need some pruning to keep the center of the tree open. The top is kept fairly low to generate new growth. Pruning is restricted to eliminate the dead, diseased, and intercrossing branches. Fruits are borne laterally on the spurs of 1 year old shoot. The average productive life of fruiting spur is 10 to 12 years, requiring less superannual pruning. for a nutrient and the fertilizer dose of the cherry tree for 10-year and above tree requires 60 kg of FYM, 2000 gram of nitrogen per tree, 1600 of gram of P per tree and 1000 gram of K per tree. Farmyard manure should be applied in December along with the full dose of superphosphate and muriate of potash. Half dose of N in the spring before the flowering and the other half dose of N is applied 1 month later. Orchard soil and weed management. Cherry orchards are maintained under the permanent sod with a clean basin management. The basins are kept clean by hand weeding or using weedicides. Application of the Duron 4 kg per hectare as a pre-emergence and the paraquat 0.5% as a post-emergence are recommended to suppress the growth of the weeds for 4 to 5 months. Mulching tree basin in the April with 10 to 15 cm thick hay also helps to control the weed and conserve the soil moisture. Green manuring crops like bean, pea, red clover, and white clover are also grown in the tree basins to improve the soil texture and fertility. Irrigation. Due to the slopy lands and non-availability of irrigation water, cherry is grown under rainfed conditions in our country. The distribution of rainfall throughout the year is uneven, and owing to the less rainfall during April and May, the plantation should be irrigated frequently. Irrigating cherry trees at the weekly intervals during the fruit growth and development is recommended for the better fruit size and quality. Fruit cracking. Fruit cracking is a serious problem in cherry which causes 50 to 80% of losses. Sweet cherry cultivars differ in susceptibility in the cracking. The cultivars with a rapid rate of absorption and a low capacity for expansion tends to be immune. Any treatment that decreases the rate of water absorption or increases the capacity of the fruit tissues to stretch without rupturing reduce the amount of cracking. Spraying of the calcium chloride at 300 gram per 100 liters of water or GA3 at 2000 ppm or NAA 10 ppm at 25 to 30 days before the harvest checks the fruit cracking. So this was all about the cherry cultivation. Thank you.